Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. So today we are taking the jumbo out. We are taking it out really fast. We are going to... Why is it so like... Okay, anyways. So we are going to take the jumbo to a public lake for the first time with the new exhaust and the new system. Will it work? I don't know. Anyways, so we're taking it. So you guys stay tuned and we'll catch you guys when we get to the lake.
Really? You're gonna do this to me today? Really? Out in the wide opening, you're gonna do this to me. Okay. Got some problems. So first things first, let's clarify the problems. We gotta find the key first. Where's the key? There it is. Alright. First problem is, you guys can see the gap. That gap's not supposed to be there. And the chain's so loose, she's looser than a goose. So we're gonna try to shove this back in. Nothing like not bringing no tools. I'm pretty sure they're having some type of event here at. Nope, you guys are undone. But that's a problem. So we gotta go back. We're done. We're done for today. We gotta take her back. Hopefully she can make it. Definitely does not sound as cool as that jet ski over there, but we do have coolness, so. good. Definitely DNR. Let's go see if DNR has anything to say to me. They might be up here waiting for me. Well, now how am I going to do this? Because we're going to have to go through here. Let's see what he says, if he will say anything. I was going to start it up and clean it out, but I guess not. I guess we ain't going to do that today. It's just a normal John boat. I don't know what their problem is, you know. Normal. It's just a normal John boat. Just a normal John boat out here. Just having some fun. Just enjoying Mother Nature. Coming around here quickly. So, two things. She didn't get hot, which that's good. That's a positive part. That's good. We need to plug this. No, I thought that was DNR for a minute. I was like, oh shit. Oh, puppy. Yeah, so chain needs to be loosened or tightened, and that needs to be fixed. And that's exhaust is hot. Thanks for warning me that exhaust. Yeah, so exhaust, gas is off, everything else is off. Everything's off, so. All right, so as you see, we did have a little bit of issues, so gotta get them fixed. She did good. I mean, we definitely did not get caught or talked. That is always good. A couple things we gotta do. We gotta fix that. Tighten this chain up. It's way too loose. And we need to put a gosh darn muffler on this thing. This thing is way too loud. So we're gonna have to put a muffler on this thing. So take that half the link off. We'll take that half link off, put it back to what it was. Then it should be good. Slide that, tighten that back down. And that should be all we have to do. So hopefully we can get this out during the winter and go duck hunting with it. What do you guys think? You guys think that's a good idea? anyways, we got some other things that should be coming here shortly. I think we got some other things that are coming here shortly, so hopefully we can get it done, get it bought, and let you guys see it. So with that being said, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys all in the next one.
Out here on the